Instincts drive this tiny feline, transforming his spectacles into a temporary sensory playground. The Little Empress of Imitation? Who else deserves this title more than Kitty?
这是干嘛？
两个土拨鼠打架呢。
土拨鼠打架呢？
啊，他真的遇到了两个土拨鼠打架，啊，笑死我了。
哎呦！